Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your Slack account from your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Slack from Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe you connected the wrong channel into your Pipedrive, so now you want to go ahead and remove Slack. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Pipedrive and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove your Slack from your Pipedrive, here on the top right, you want to click on this little puzzle icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to look for Deal Bot for Slack. Go ahead and click on the Slack logo. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you into the Deal Bot for Slack settings you can see right here. And in order to delete or remove this from your Pipedrive, click on the red uninstall button here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a pop-up. Are you sure you want to unslack from your Pipedrive? If so, click uninstall once again. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Deal Bot for Slack has been uninstalled, so I'll no longer be able to share information between my Pipedrive and my Slack channel unless I reinstall the app. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove your Slack from your Pipedrive CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.